Friends, in last lecture we have seen sums from 1 to 7. 7 sum is completed in last lecture. Now sum number 8. Tan inverse cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. We have to simplify this. Condition is given minus pi by 4 less x less 3 pi by 4. Now if you want to cancel this, you have to convert it into 10. So dividing here by cos x. Dividing by cos cut 1 minus 10x by 1 plus 10x. However, dividing by cos cut 1 both places, and sin by cos means 10x. Now it is your formula of tan alpha minus beta. Put here 1 means 10 pi by 4 minus 10x by 1 plus 10x into, here we take 1 into, means 10 pi by 4. Okay, 10x into 1 we can write here. So 10x or into 1 means 10 pi by 4. This is your formula. Tan alpha minus tan beta by 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta is equal to, is your formula tan alpha minus beta. So it is alpha and beta. Tan pi by 4 minus x. Now we have to cancel this tan inverse tan. So check angle. This is your condition. We have to check angle pi by 4 minus x. So multiply this with minus. If you multiply inequality with minus, inequality will change. So minus here multiply minus, that is plus pi by 4. Inequality change, minus x greater than minus 3 pi by 4. Now we have add pi here. So pi by 4 plus pi by 4, pi by 4 minus x greater than pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4, pi by 4, pi by 2, pi by 4 minus x, and LCM 4, pi minus 3 pi. Pi minus 3 pi is equal to minus 2 pi, and by 4, so minus pi by 2. It is in range. Range of tan is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So this is cancelled. Pi by 4 minus x. That is your answer. This is simplified form of this. Sum number 9. Tan inverse x by under root a square minus x square mod x less than a. Now we have to take trigonometric. X is equal to, suppose here x is equal to a sin theta. Now put the value tan inverse a sin theta by under root a square minus a square sine square theta a sine theta, a square common, 1 minus sine square theta, a sine theta. Now a square outside a and cos square outside cos, a cancel, tan inverse a cancel, sine by cos, tan theta. Now we have to cancel this, mod x less than a, so removing mod, condition will be minus a less x less a, minus a less a sine theta less a, divided by a cut, minus 1 less sine theta less 1, minus 1 means sine pi by 2 less sine theta less sine pi by 2, sine remove, minus pi by 2 less theta less pi by 2, it is in range, so tan inverse tan cancel, theta. Now x is equal to a sine theta, therefore sine theta is equal to x by a, so theta is equal to sine inverse x by a, put here value sine inverse x by a, this is our simplifier. We have seen last period, if under x 1 minus x square, we are taking x is equal to sine theta, here place of 1 a, so yeah, a x is equal to a sine theta we have suppose. Now put the value x is equal to a sine theta square, a square sine square, a square common, 1 minus sine square cos square, coming from root a cos theta, a cut, sine by cos tan theta, tan inverse tan cancel, theta. Now put the value of sine theta, sine inverse x by a, that is your answer. Sum number 10. Tan inverse three a square x minus x cube by a cube minus 3a x square. Now it is a formula of tan 3 theta. So suppose here x is equal to a tan theta. Now putting this, tan inverse 3a square into a tan theta minus cube a cube tan cube theta by a cube minus 3a, taking square of this, a square tan square theta, a cube common, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta, a cube common, 1 minus 3 tan square theta, a cube cancel, so tan inverse, that is your formula, tan 3 theta. Now we have to cut tan inverse tan, but before this we have to check range. Now in your sum, condition is given minus a by root 3 less x less a by root 3, minus a by root 3 less x means a tan theta less a by root 3. Now a cut, minus 1 by root 3 less tan theta less 1 by root 3. Now 1 by root 3 is value of tan pi by 6 theta, tan pi by 6. Now tan cut, minus pi by 6 less theta less pi by 6. Now we have to check 3 theta, multiply with 3, 3 6 cut, minus pi by 2 less 3 theta less pi by 2. It is in range, so this will cancel, 3 theta. Now x is equal to 8 tan theta. Take a down, x by a is equal to tan theta. Taking tan left side, so tan inverse x by a is equal to theta. Now value of 3, theta value tan inverse x by a. This is your answer. Sum number 11. Sine 2 cos 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. Now sine 2 cos 2 sine inverse 1 by 2. Sine 2 cos 2 sine inverse. Now value of 1 by 2 from your 10th table, sine pi by 6. 2 cos 2. Now sine inverse sine cancel, pi by 6. Okay, this is your sum sine bracket 2 cos in bracket 2 sine is 1 by 2. We have to solve this from inside, 1 by 2. Same line. Now 1 by 2 sine pi by 6, sine inverse sine cancel, pi by 6. 2 and 6 cancel. Sine this is tan inverse. Tan inverse 2 cos 2 and 6 cut, pi by 3. 2 cos pi by 3 1 by 2. 2 cut, tan inverse 1. 1 means tan pi by 4. Tan inverse tan cancel, pi by 4. In outside it is tan inverse, so we have to cut this tan inverse, tan inverse, tan inverse, tan inverse, tan inverse. Solving from inside, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means sine pi by 6. Sine inverse sine cancel, pi by 6. 2 and 6 cut, pi by 3. Now 2 cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 value 1 by 2. 2 cut, tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 means tan pi by 4. Answer is pi by 4. Now in sum number 12, cot tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. Now it is your formula, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. If in tan cot pair, sin cos pair and sec cosec pair, angle is same, so it will be pi by 2. So here is angle is same, so cot, this is your formula, pi by 2. Now value of cot pi by 2 is 0. Sum number 13, tan 1 by 2 sine inverse 2x by 1 minus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square by 1 plus y square. Now we have seen in formula, this is our formula, sine inverse 2x by 1 minus x square is equal to 2 tan inverse x plus, this is also a formula, but here is y, so 2 tan inverse y, 2 common. Okay, these are your formulas. 2 tan inverse x, here is angle y, so 2 tan inverse y, 2 common. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, 2 cut. Now this is your formula. In your sum condition is given xy less than 1, this is given in sum, so apply formula here, tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Now tan and tan inverse cancel, x plus y by 1 minus xy, that is your answer. Simple sum, tan 1 by 2, these are two formulas, 2 tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse y, 2 common, cut. Now for apply formula and tan inverse cut. 14. Sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1. Now if we take this sine to right side, it will convert in sine inverse, so sine inverse 1, left side sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x. Sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x. Now sine inverse 1 means sine pi by 2. Now sine inverse 1 by 5 cos inverse x cancel, pi by 2. Now again this is your formula, has tan inverse and cot inverse equal to pi by 2, but this formula only apply when angle are equal. So here is also your formula, sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, but this formula will apply only where angle are equal. So here is pi by 2, because it is pi by 2, these angle are equal, therefore x is equal to 1 by 5. That is your answer. Sum number 15, tan inverse x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. We have to find value of x. Now apply formula, tan inverse, this is x, this is y, so x plus y by 1 minus multiplication of these two angles, x minus 1 x minus 2 into x plus 1 x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. Now we will take this tan inverse, we take right side, so it will be tan pi by 4, tan inverse right side tan pi by 4, here cross multiply, x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x minus 2 into x plus 1 by these two brackets multiply x minus 2 into x plus 2 minus x minus 1 into multiply these two brackets x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 by a minus b a plus b formula a square minus b square x square minus 4 here x square minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, multiply these two brackets x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 same way a minus b a plus b a square minus b square 2 square 4 here is 1 1. Now these 2x cut x also cut x square and x square 2x square minus 2 and minus 2 minus 4 we open these brackets x square minus 4 here minus so sign change minus x square plus 1 is equal to 1 x square cut minus 3 multiply 2x square minus 4 is equal to minus 3 2x square is equal to 1 x square is equal to 1 by 2 therefore x is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. This is your answer. Okay, today taking 15. Thank you.